The Pittsburgh city government is punching above our weight class in terms of the open data that we deliver to our people, and that's really exciting. I'm Alita Laney. I'm a data engineer for the city of Pittsburgh. I work on the data services team. When it comes to the work on the data services team, it's primarily making data accessible for the people of Pittsburgh. The role of data orchestration is really to make sure that we have persistently up-to-date dashboards and reports. We were using Cloud Composer during a time where things were changing a lot, and so it was consuming a lot of engineering hours to manage all of the instances. So Astro and Airflow together are really the center of the data engineering tech stack. So in that way, our pipelines are the first time that data is ever united across the city. The most exciting part of being a data engineer in municipal government is how much just different stuff you get to do. One-Stop PGH Insights it's a tool that's used in the workflows of multiple departments, including permits, licenses, and inspections, and the Department of Mobility Infrastructure. And then it was also made accessible to the public, and so it contains any data that you could imagine about a parcel and its permits, or when a street is going to be open. So the tool being accessible to the community gives people access to information about development in their neighborhoods and also street closures, but any data that the data services team publishes flows through Astro Airflow. Our team is really grateful for the partnership, that we couldn't do any of what we do without our Airflow stuff.